in-store, curbside, and at batteriesplus.com.
Thanks.
Here is an urgent message for the following county, Yolo, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the El Niño Lightning Complex burn scar in northwestern Yolo County in central California until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the El Niño Lightning Complex burn scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the El Niño Lightning Complex burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the El Niño Lightning Complex burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of northwestern Yolo County. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the El Niño Lightning Complex burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.